Okay, so here's a nice easy method for you to be able to rack the pool balls right every time. So what we do, we start with the two bottom corners of the triangle, and you want to put two different coloured balls there. So in this case, we'll put a yellow ball in the left-hand corner and a red one in the right. Now, whatever colour you chose, you then want to put an opposite colour ball in two positions next to that. So in that case, we're going to put two red balls here next to the yellow, and we're going to put two yellow balls next to the red. So all nice and simple so far. Now, whatever colour you chose to put here, we want to continue that into a J shape. So in this case, we've got the red balls here, as we started with the yellow ball in the corner. So we carry on with 1, 2, and 3 red balls there. So that makes our J shape. Now, in the cradle of the J here, you want to use 2 of the opposite colours. So in that case, we're going to put 2 yellow balls. Now you get to the point where you can put your 8 ball in and get that 8 ball on the spot. And then whatever ball you chose for the left-hand corner, in this case yellow, you actually want to put one of those right at the top of the triangle as well. And then to the bottom right, you use the same colour ball. So that's 2 yellows there. And that should leave you with just the final ball, which sits in, and in this case, it's a red. Okay, so let's repeat that pattern again, and this time we'll use spots and stripes balls. So we'll have those 2 different styles as opposed to the 2 different colours. So in this case, in the lower corners, we want to have a ball of a different style. So we're going to put a spot on the left, and we're going to put a stripe ball on the right. Next, we're going to have those 2 positions that go next to those 2 chosen balls in the corner. So in this case, they want to be different. So we're going to do 2 striped balls next to the spot that we put in the corner. And then on the right-hand corner, we're going to do 2 spots next to the stripe that we chose to put in that corner. Now, because we've chosen stripes here, this is where we then create that J shape again, and again, of the same style. So we're going to use striped balls to make up our J in this case. So that's 1, 2, and 3 of them. In the cradle of the J, we're going to use an opposite style to what makes up the J. So in this case, we're using spots again. So we're going to have 2 spots that go in there. Now it's time for the 8 ball. That one sits there on the spot. And if you remember, on whatever finish or colour you used on the left hand of the triangle, the lower left hand part, that then dictates the right type of style to go in the top of the triangle. So in this case, we used a spot on the bottom left and we put a spot in the top. To the bottom right of that spot, you do the same style of ball. So another spot goes in on the right, and then that finally leaves you with the opposing style, in this case, the stripe, and that drops in at the top.